line from here, ortho, 3.25. Then I'm going to draw a line up. I don't know how long it is, but I'm going to offset. What's the distance from one side to the other? 2.5. Okay? Draw me a line from here to here. I can grip this one if I need to and pull it up and let it grip to the end point of that. Now, at the midpoint of this line, I've got a circle. I'm going to draw it in as a circle. It's really a radius. Circle at the midpoint. Alright, that's my circle. Then I come over here and trim. Cut that off. I'm going to leave that in there because I might well just convert that to a center line. Alright, now, I'm going to come down here, I'm going to draw some of my front view. So I'm going to draw me a line from here down. I'm going to go from the quadrant of this down. And I'm going to draw me a line just straight through here. Now, this is where my front view is going to be. And it's 1.75 high. So I'm going to offset 1.75. And then I'm going to trim. Get rid of that, and that. Alright. Now let's see. I need a line from the top right here. How wide is that part right there? It's probably 0.5. If this little piece here is 0.5, that's probably 0.5. I'm going to offset 0.5. And then, let's see. From this vertical line to this vertical line is 2 inches. So I'm going to come here and offset 2. Then I'm going to offset this back 0.5. Okay, it'll all fall into place. Now I'm going to offset the bottom line up 0.75 to get the bottom part of that. Now I'm going to trim some. I need to get rid of this piece right here. I need to get rid of this piece. I need to get rid of this piece and this piece. And these two. Okay? That's that section right down there. That's what it's going to look like. Now this bottom, this end piece down here with the circle in it is only a 1/2 inch thick. So I'm going to offset 0.5. Then I'm going to come back and trim. I'll go ahead and get rid of that, and that, and that.
Video camera saying big enough.
Then erase this. Don't need that. And don't need that. Okay? Now I'm going to erase this. That's basically what the front view is going to look like. Then you can come here, transfer these lines up, just drawing lines, trim, get rid of these and these. Now, the width of this little towel piece here is 0.5, and then it's 1.5 inches. So I'm going to offset 0.5, and then 1.5, then start trimming again. Let's see, I don't need that or that. Got to have that, got to have that. Don't need that or that. Okay, that's basically what the top is going to look like. I'm going to double click this and go ahead and make it a center line. Should be a center layer, right? Match properties. Well, No, that ain't what I want to do. I'm going to copy. I'm going to need a center line here. This center line's got to come outside, so I'm going to grip these and pull them out. I also need another center line that direction. Oop. Pull a line from the center. Alright, see, that's not snapping to center, is it? Type in O snap. Alright. End point I want, center is supposed to be there. I don't want extension, I want intersection. Those are the ones I use. End point, probably midpoint, center, and intersection. And say, okay. Now, I'm going to draw me a line from, well, it ain't going to jump to the center. I can make it jump to the center. Okay? I'm going to grip this. Match properties with this. Now I've got center lines. Now, I got to get something over my right side view. So I can draw my lines, just transfer these over with lines. I need to get my width over here. Alright, pay attention. I'm going to draw me a line from the bottom part of this view, and I'm going to start my right side view right along here and go this direction. So I'm going to draw me a line. Alright, and where those two intersect, I'm going to draw me a line at 45. Shift 2, let's draw it about at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay? Now I'm going to draw lines from here over and a line from here down. That's the width of my right side view. Okay? Just like that. You can draw me a line from here over, here. You go from this intersection down. Now the height of these pieces right here is the same height right here, so I'm going to trim, get rid of these. They won't go to the bottoms, so I can get rid of those. Get rid of that, and get rid of that. Now, looking at it from the right side view, this piece sticks up. I'm going to trim from here and get rid of these. That line goes all the way across. Now, this little section in here in the middle, come over from here. And then trim from here and take this and this off. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Nothing in the middle, so take that out. I'm looking at it from the right side view now. Alright, that line goes all the way across. That comes over, over, over. Alright, this line right here is going to be what? There's a hidden line. That's at 0.5. If I draw a line from here over, there's a hidden line. Oh, wait a minute. Let's undo that. This piece right here is 0.75 from the top, so I'm going to offset 0.75. This line is supposed to be up to here. All right, I'll show you a new command called stretch. Have I showed you stretch yet? And it's right here. It says stretch. It says select objects to stretch by crossing window. All right, I've showed you crossing window and regular window. Whatever I want to stretch, I'm going to do a crossing window. And I'm going to go right through here. All right, whatever's completely inside that green square or rectangle, it's going to move. Whatever it actually cuts through, it's going to actually stretch. So it's going to stretch these two vertical lines, and this horizontal line is going to be moved. All right, enter. Specify base point. All right, I want this line to be up even with this line, right? Base point here to here. Okay? Let me do that again over here. Stretch. Crossing window. Whatever it crosses, it's going to stretch. Whatever's completely inside it, it's going to move. Enter. Base point. Just pick a point. See what it does? All right. Do it again. Stretch this time. Let's say I just need this piece an inch wider. I'm going to cut through here. Space bar. Pick a point. I want it 1 inch. I'm going to hit shift 2. 1 at an angle of, I want to go this way, 180 degrees. Okay? Let's put a dimension on it. I'm going to stretch again. I'm going to stretch right through here. It's going to move this one, stretch this line, and the dimension. Let's say I want to stretch it from here, shift 2, 0.170 at an angle of 180. I missed it by 1,000, sue me. Stretch here, shift 2, 0.001 at an angle of 180. Okay? That's stretch. Get used to using it because you'll need it. Okay? That's stretch. All right, now I can erase this. And that's basically how you go about doing this drawing.
All right, so it's not going to look like that page. It's going to look like what we're seeing on the screen.
It's going to look like this, not like this. You want to take this, convert it to front, top, and right side.
Okay. I'd have been home trying to make that and catching hell.
Does it show you anywhere up to this point how to do an isometric drawing? That's way on back here. Okay, any questions on that? Prototype drawing, how to set them up, project lines. Now let me show you how I got that line again. Wherever the top view is, come from the bottom of it. Wherever you want your right side view to start and go this direction, you come up from here. That intersection is where you draw your line at 45-degree angles.
So you just did a top side and back view?
Front, top, and right side.
Front, top, right side. Okay.
But what's the 45-degree angle line for?
So I can project.
Like
See,
you're
if you
turning
think this
that?
piece right here, this width is the same as all the widths are in this view. So I project these over and down, and I don't have to measure anything in this view.
I got you.
All your heights in this view, you can transfer over to here. And that's the way you have to do some drawings. You might have to draw a little bit here, and then transfer back from view to view.
All righty. I can handle that.
That's about enough for one day.
I think so.